So, what are we doing today? We are going to talk about the books that I bought in the last 30 days for no apparent reason, and this is a sign that I really need to stop buying books just because I want to. So, these are all the books that I bought. And they are quite heavy, so I'm just going to put them down. So this is my first book haul video, so bear with me. And I bought these books from different places. Some of them are used book and some of them are new. Some books I bought for a study purpose. So let's just get started with the haul. The first book that I bought is Shyamchi Ai by Sane Guruji. So this is a very popular book in Marathi literature. It is about Sane Guruji and his relation with his mother. So this book talks about the ideals, principles and upbringing of Sane Guruji, and this book is really beautiful. I have heard a lot about it and I wanted to buy this book since a very long time, and I finally got it. So I'm really excited to read this one. And the next book is Yayati by V.S. Khandekar. Now this is another popular book in Marathi literature and I have heard a lot about it, so I'm really excited to read it. This is the story of mythical king Yayati from Mahabharata. Also this book, I think this book also contains some romance in it, so I'm really excited to read this. And Shyamchi Ai and Yayati are Marathi books, so I am really excited to read this, as I will be reading Marathi books after such a long time. The last time I read Marathi books is when I was in school, and I think it's been 7 to 8 years. So yeah, I'm really excited to read this too. The next book that I bought is The Girl in Room 105 by Chetan Bhagat. Now this is a thriller book. Before you come at me because I bought a book by Chetan Bhagat, don't, because I think it's my decision whatever I want to read. So now coming to the story, this is about Keshav, who is still in love with his ex even after 4 years. So he tells his story, like how she called him after many years, and after that his life completely changed, and I really want to know what happened. So the synopsis really intrigued me and I went out and bought the book. Now let's get to our next book. The next books that I bought from Bookchor, and they are second-hand books. I have been buying books from Bookchor since 3 or 4 years, I guess. And books are in really great condition. You won't even feel that they are in second-hand condition. Also, they send this little notes with their orders, which I find really cute. Also send you free bookmarks with your orders, which are really amazing actually. Getting to the books, the book is The Pact by Jodi Picoult. Now this book follows a suicide pact between two friends, I think. I don't really know, but we will find out soon. And I bought this book because I have read Jodi Picoult before and I really loved the book that I read by her, so I bought this one. Another book that I bought by Jodi Picoult is The Perfect Match, and this book focuses on a very serious issue, that is child sexual abuse and murder. And I believe the protagonist of this book is a lawyer, and when she finds out that her own son was sexually abused, she's really devastated. And I found good reviews about this book, so I'm really excited to read this one. So the next book I bought is The Sky is Falling by Sidney Sheldon. So this will be my first read by Sidney Sheldon, and so I'm really excited to read this one. And can you just look at the book? It's so stunning. The cover is so beautiful, and this is a hardcover. And this is a second-hand book actually, and I got it for $1.99. And it's in such a perfect condition. I couldn't believe it that this was a second-hand book, and I'm really excited to read this book. So moving on, the next few books that I bought are for study purpose. They are related to the subject psychology. So the first book is The Spirit Catches You and You Fall Down by Anne Fadiman. Yeah, so this book is about a girl, Leah, who has severe epilepsy, and her doctor and her family really want to help her get through it, but the understanding between the doctor and her family is very less, because I think the family of Leah are little backward. So the doctor really tries hard, and this is the story of Leah through her epilepsy, and I'm really excited to read this because I have heard a lot about this book. Let's see how this goes for me. The next book that I got is Phantoms in the Brain by V.S. Ramchandran and Sandra Blakesley. Now this book is about neurophysiology and neuropsychology, and there are cases in this book which makes this book interesting, and there are gripping stories too. I'm really excited to know more about neuroscience. So let's see how this goes for me. So the next book is called Psychology. This is an academic book. I wanted to show this book in this video because I think this is a really easy book to study. So if you're going to if you want to know more about psychology, and if you're going to study psychology, you should go for this book. I have this was recommended by a friend. I have read a little from this book, and yeah, it was really amazing, especially the Indian students. You guys can learn from this book, read from this book, so go for it. So the next book that I got is My Sister Millie by Gemma Dollar. Now this book is based on true events. So one day Millie, Gemma's sister, disappears. A serial killer kidnaps her. After the disappearance, the family goes through a lot, and I think we all can understand that. So I'm really excited to read this book. There are photos given in this book, and yeah, so I'm really excited to read this book. So this is it. I hope you like this video. Thank you for being here. I'm really glad you are here. Also, the links to donate to Bihar, Assam and Lebanon is in the description. Don't forget to donate, guys, if you can. They really need our help. So do make sure that you donate, and I'll see you in the next video. So stay tuned for that. Bye.